Understanding Synthetic Fertilizers, a guide for green thumbs. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an interesting and essential topic for all our gardening and farming enthusiasts, synthetic fertilizers. Understanding what synthetic fertilizers are and how they work can be a game changer for your plants. So, let's break it down in simple terms to make your gardening journey a bit easier. Stay tuned as we explore the world of synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers, also known as inorganic fertilizers, are man-made compounds designed to feed plants with essential nutrients. They are produced through chemical processes that combine various minerals and chemicals. The primary purpose of synthetic fertilizers is to enhance plant growth and productivity by providing them with nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, the three major nutrients that plants need to thrive. The key to synthetic fertilizers' effectiveness lies in their composition. These fertilizers are formulated to provide a balanced mix of nutrients, often labeled as NPK ratios on their packaging. For example, a fertilizer labeled as the 20th of October 10 contains 20% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. This section will help you understand why each of these nutrients is crucial for plant growth and how they contribute to a plant's development. Using synthetic fertilizers comes with its set of benefits and drawbacks. On the plus side, they offer quick nutrient release, helping plants to grow faster and more efficiently. They are also easily available and can be specifically tailored to suit the needs of different plants. However, it's important to use them wisely. Overuse of synthetic fertilizers can lead to nutrient runoff, polluting water bodies and harming the environment. It may also result in nutrient imbalance in the soil, making it less fertile over time. This section will guide you on how to use synthetic fertilizers responsibly to avoid these drawbacks. For those interested in more sustainable gardening practices, this section explores organic fertilizers and other natural alternatives. Organic fertilizers release nutrients more slowly and help improve soil structure and fertility in the long run. We'll discuss the pros and cons of these alternatives and how you can integrate them into your gardening practices. We hope this video has shed some light on synthetic fertilizers and their role in modern gardening and farming. Whether you choose to use them, opt for organic alternatives, or a mix of both, the key is to understand your plant's needs and the impact of your choices on the environment. Happy gardening, and may your plants grow healthy and strong.